Ever wondered what goes into creating the most extravagant ceilings on Earth? Imagine molten gold,
You're about to witness something truly extraordinary. A process so meticulously secret, few
See how millions of dollars worth of gold are transformed into jaw-dropping palace ceilings.
The alignment on row 7.
Load secure. Moving to staging.
Staging clear. Bring it in.
Panel 03 here.
The specs on the digital model match the schematic. It looks correct.
All right, let's proceed with the installation sequence.
Adjusting the tolerance now.
$75 Newton meters.
75, confirmed. The load distribution looks good on the screen.
Easy now, easy. Looks good from here. Secure the clamps.
Reviewing the final metrics now, everything looks good.
Confirmed. We can apply the certification sticker.
Make sure the cushioning is flush against the gold.
Looks perfect. Hand me the drill.
This facility represents the pinnacle of organized production, handling multiple projects simultaneously.
I'm really proud of how this turned out. The lighting integration is perfect.
You and your team did an incredible job. Cheers, everyone.
The detail on the mahogany inlay is flawless.
Truly a masterpiece from the team.
Slings inspected and tagging. Shackles secured.
Confirmed. The kit is ready for Phase 1 deployment.
This is a true masterpiece.
We should all be very proud of what we've accomplished here.
Absolutely. To the best installation team,